What's up guys, and welcome back to IT Man channel. Today guys, we're gonna talk about the best app for making live collage. Today guys, I'm gonna show you one of the best app for making collage photos. So guys, you may need this app in posting birthday collage, or you maybe need it for Instagram story. So guys, let's start. This is the app name and look. You can see it how it looks. Then you press on allows one, and then you press on collage. Then you will see Columbus days, as you can see here, this word, and you will see different styles like card style or many styles, as you can see, and the hot one, which is the squares, as you can see. And here you can just press on plus, and then you add your photos that you want. We have 4 photos, then you just add all 4 photos, and this is what will happen. The result, you will have collage photo. And then you back. Let's check other options that we have. Card option. For the card option, we have Instagram story, Independence Day, Father's Day, Mother's Days. All these are events. Even the Easter is an event. So we have a lot of events. You can choose any of these styles. It's amazing styles. And also we have the poster style. You can choose any of these poster style. Let's take an example like this one. Press on plus, and then you choose your photo, and then choose another one like my meal, and then only 2, I forgot. And so now you can see we add 2 pictures for this collage, and it looks cool. And let's talk about the other option we got, like art 3D. Art 3D is also an amazing option on this collage. It's a cool collage. We have a lot of styles like this one. Here you have a plus, then you press on it, and then you choose any photo. Let's take like me, and then we have another one plus, then this one, and another one window plus. We press on this one. So you can see we have a lot of plus here. You just press on it and upload your photo. We have many styles collage in this app. You have art 3D, you have a 3D, you have pen board, you have a lot of option to choose. You have a classic. So guys, as you can see, this is part of this app. We explain it. I will just talk about also the last thing, which is last not least, not the beauty. I'm gonna show you background eraser. For the background eraser is an amazing feature. Why? Because once you press on any photo, it will give you a background, and then you just press on any background you want. It's a trending background. Press on trending background, any trending, then you will see yourself without background, and they put you in this background or this picture. Let's take another example like this door. In this door, as you can see, I'm here in front of the door, and taking selfie. So we have a lot of choices in this photo collage. And let's back. Let's talk about Instagram story. For Instagram story as well, you can choose anyone. Like I like summer. This style is nice. We press on plus, and we choose our photo. Yeah, I like summer. As you can see me, I'm gonna post. For example, I would like to talk about. It's the beginning of the summer, so I would like to talk about I like summer. So I want to post something about summer. I would just post this style, which is I like summer, and I will put myself. Yeah, it's the beginning of the summer. Let's enjoy and go to the beach. So guys, as you can see, we have many choices. We have birthday choice, we have poster, for the poster you have a lot of choices. You have many events. You have a 3D type also for collage, and you can see you have a lot of options: photo edit, freestyle, and video edit if you want to edit, and poster. I just talk about only the collage because today we only focus on collage an issue. So guys, thank you for watching my tips, and I wish you guys like my tips. And if you think this is helpful, please subscribe me and like my video. And for more awesome tips I will upload by next week. Please subscribe me and keep in touch. So guys, see you by next week.